Hi there, this is Safwan Labib. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you in my presentation. My dear brothers and sisters, today I am gonna reveal a very secret message of our life. So let's begin without any further ado. You know, the world is perishable and a rented house, no matter how nice you make it. You have to leave as soon as you notice from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as soon as you get a notice from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, chapter number 55 and verse number 26 to 27, كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. All that perish except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, my dear brothers and sisters, kindly think about the beyond life, kindly think about the hereafter life, and be thoughtful about the last judgment day. That's all for today. Stay tuned until the next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.